Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make dotted letters in MS Word. Alright, let's begin. To get this done, head over to Google and search for the Cody Star font. You should see it available from Google Fonts, so go ahead and click that result. Once you're on the page, click Get Font, then click Download All. Save the file, and once the download is complete, open the folder where it was saved. The file will be in a zip format. What you have to do is simply right-click on your downloaded font file and click Extract All. Inside the extracted folder, you will find two versions of the font. Just install both of them. Open the first one, and you'll see the Install button. Click it. Once that installation is finished, repeat the same step for the second font file. Now that the fonts are installed, head over to your Word document. Write any letter and then click the font menu at the top. And you should now see Cody Star listed there. Select it, and you can adjust the font size as needed to make your dotted letters bigger or smaller. And that's it. So that's basically how you can make dotted letters in MS Word. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.